So create purchase requisition with cost center single account assignment. The best way to learn is practice, practice, practice every day. With this video, I try to support you to reproduce again this process flow in SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud. There is a lot of trial version available in SAP channel. So that the purpose is you are an employee and you want to create a shopping cart for free text material, generate a purchase requisition. So there are different steps to achieve the creation of a purchase requisition in SAP. So to sum up a theory, to create a purchase requisition. So the first one is to log into SAP Fiori Launchpad, has an employee procurement, the SAP Fiori Launchpad display. Step 2, access to create purchase requisitions. So for that, open my purchase requisition. Again, there is different way to create a purchase requisition. So my purchase requisition new, I select the my purchase requisition screen display. Step in the step, just looking for that all. Okay. Step 3, start purchase requisition creation. For that, without marking any selection, choose create item. The purchase requisition screen is shown. Okay. Step 4, enter general data. So I explain and then I do. In the general information section, make the following entries. It's an example. So short text, for example, office supply, material group that you have created or provided by SAP by default, the valuation price, the price unit, the quantity requested, the delivery date, the purchasing group, the purchasing organization, the plant, the account segment category, and the distribution indicator. So let's start. Short text, we used office supply. Short text, here we are, item description, office supply. Then the material group, use the help, the match code. If I can use also the show filter to looking for the material group name, I can hide, I can looking for, I would like to find all the material groups started with the YPM00. I'm non-stock material without ID. Okay, I select this one. I continue. Valuation price, for example, 100. The price unit, one, for example, I can define each. Again, I can use the match code. I can each. I can choose also pieces. case, box, etc. Quantity requested 100 also 100. I continue. Delivery date. The delivery date, for example, in next week, next month, 2 days. It depends also the capacity your supplier to deliver in time. So I decide that the next week, as times you have a information that the system asks you is the delivery can be made at these times. So, for example, is I define like this. Okay. I continue purchasing group. By default, I have some value, but I can change it. For example, I'm going to use the purchasing group 003. I continue. I choose my purchasing organization, KPC1, my plan, KP01. Right now, I select the account assignment category for cost center. Account assignment category, I choose key for cost center. Distribution indicator, I stay in single account assignment. So I click on enter. Okay. There is some information I can see in the bar. So for example, in our case, the system requested that information about my account assignment. So for that, choose account assignment section and make the following entries. Again, I explain GL account, for example, 51600 for material with a material number. The GL account will be determined automatically. Go to the section account assignment and choose the corresponding line to go to account assignment screen and enter cost center. For example, key PC 01101 in the apparent screen. So for that, I can use the tab account assignment. Okay. You have the red flag. That means SAP requested an information. So you go to the detail. But you can solve you have right now the GL account defined by default, but right now you have to choose the cost center. So for that, I select the match code and I'm looking for for example, show filter. I got my controlling area, but if I were looking for all the start by KPC, I click on enter. Okay, I'm going to choose, for example, KPC 11601 for marketing. Okay, and then I click on apply. Okay, apply. I stay in the first screen. I go to the item, choose apply. Perhaps I clicked both. But if you go back in the first screen, you just have to go again in the detail of the purchase requisition, okay, and the item. I go to the source of supply. Choose source of supply section. You can add a fixed supplier. So for that, you click on add. Fixed supplier. I want to all the suppliers that started. So I'm going to choose, for example, 002 domestic supplier, French supplier. And I click on add. Okay. Then I click again on apply. Each time click on enter, apply to be sure that everything works well. Click on apply. You don't have any warning message. You don't have any red black message. That means everything is okay. So again, step 5, save purchase requisition. choose order to save the purchase requisition. So as you can see, you have a draft. Instead of that in ASAP GUI, you don't, you have a draft. That means you do not lost anything in ASAP Fiori. You start something, you can go back, you can close your navigator, you can back in Fiori and not restart, continue your process. So I click on order. A new purchase requisition is creating if no error is displayed in the dialog box. So as you can see right now, my new purchase requisition is created. And my recent purchasing requisition, if I go, I see that we are the 26th October at 8 o'clock. I see my purchase requisition. Thank you so much.